In this tutorial, we will see that how you can change background in Zoom app in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, you have to update your Zoom app from Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS. Then simply open it. After opening it, you will be on this meetings. Click on new meetings. If you click start meeting, it will show you this dashboard here. Simply allow it, and now we are in this Zoom. To change background in this Zoom app, it's really very simple. From bottom side, you will see here this bottom bar. If you drag it to left side, you will find here some of more options. You will see this more button. If you click on that, it will open up this little window where you will see background and effects. Click on it and you will see these sum of options: virtual backgrounds and video filters. From this virtual backgrounds, if you click on that add button that's showing on right side, it will show you these sum of options to select an image for background. You can select it from photos. So let's suppose if I open my photos and select this photo itself. If you drag this bar of virtual backgrounds, you will find here these sum of more options like video filters and avatars. So to apply this photo in your background, simply select this and click back. Here it is. It will be applied. So that's how you can change background in Zoom app in just few easy steps.